Hello guys, hope you all good. Welcome to another interesting video on our behavior channel. So in this today's video of part 4, we are going to learn about creating dashboards. So we have already covered content graphs in our previous dashboard videos. We have also covered output per hour, output by hour. These graphs are already covered in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos yet, do visit our YouTube channel and you can watch the videos there. Also, you can visit behaviorchannel.com for further videos which are available as training classes. So do not forget to visit behaviorchannel.com for a lot of exciting stuff we have brought to you. So let us begin our video 4 and dashboards in understanding composite output, output per hour and output by hour. So these are all the composite graphs which we are going to use in our statistical analysis referring to dashboards and Flexsim simulation. So we have already seen the throughput graphs. This is output per hour and all those. So the major difference between these three graphs and these three graphs is that this is a composite and this is an individual entity graph. So I have created two graphs. So if you could look at, this is composite throughput graph, okay, and this is the throughput graph, which is this output. Now in the both section, if you look, I have already assigned two objects, that is processor 1 and processor 2. And here also I have assigned processor 1 and processor 2, but the difference in visualization and the value you could look at. So this graph basically gives us a composite value and this graph basically gives us a value of individual entity wise throughput rate. So this is the major difference between these graphs and these graphs. When you need to analyze a composite throughput for a particular line consisting of say 3 to 5 or n number of stations or buffers, then this graph plays a vital role and this is very important. So let us now analyze what is composite throughput graph. So this is a basic type of graph where you are going to get a sum of the throughputs from processor 1 and processor 2. So this is what it is, composite throughput. Then we have another type of graph, that is composite output per hour. So this is basically, again, it is a sum of two processor throughput rate which is calculated at an interval of an hour. This is again summed and given us to as 60. So what does this mean? So the units for model are in seconds. So we have run a model for 60 seconds, that is almost 1 minute. And that's why where we get a throughput of 100. So for 60 minutes we are going to get 600 as a throughput rate. That is what this graph gives us, which is composite output per hour. So here we can change the interval ranging from 1 week to 1 second. So it is on our dependency what we need to select depending on the project requirement. It can be taken into considerations. Then we have composite output by hour. So this graph is basically give us a throughput is to timing graph. So the bottom is the timing in seconds and this y-axis gives us a throughput rate and quantity. So if you could look at what does this say, that for so the intervals are calculated at every second, okay. And as you know that the process time we have assigned to the processor is 10 seconds, we are going to get the parts every 10 seconds here. So for 10 seconds we get a part. So if you could look at, we get 5 parts simultaneously from the two processor, which accounts to 10 parts in a minute cycle time. So this is what gives us by composite output by hour. So these are three types of graphs we are considering: composite throughput per hour and composite output by hour. So this is for today's video, graphical analysis, understanding composite graphs and output. So the question for today's video is that what is the major difference between composite graphs and the output graphs which we have in dashboard? Please give us your answers in comment section. We really like your comments. If you have any suggestions related to the improvements on our website or our YouTube video content, do suggest us, because we love comments. We have found that our audiences are not liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Please do it. We really get some motivation from your every like and share and subscription. Do not forget to do that. Also, do visit behaviorchannel.com, our website, daily to access a lot of interesting stuff we have in, because it is really going to add value to you. So this is a discrete event simulation platform on our behaviorchannel.com. Join our Telegram channel where you can post your questions to us and we can answer your queries, or you can also access contents which we share it on it. Here we are having a account section where you can create your account. Do create your account on behaviorchannel.com to access premium content related to simulation. It is free for the member account. The member account itself is also free. With itself you can access 3DS files, training modules and the training classes. We are going to bring in premium training classes which would be free, but you need to sign in into a member account and access those training classes. So do not forget to visit behaviorchannel.com and take availability of all these features and programs we are bringing in. In the next video of Flexsim, we will be understanding output by type, output hour by type and output by hour by type. So do not forget to visit our YouTube channel. So let us meet in another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay simulating.